Welcome to this channel, traders. So today I just want to show you how you should have entered the market. Okay, we're still looking at the strategy that I'm trading these days, USD CAD. What I want is for you to be independent. Let me show you this. All these currency pairs that you see that are in blue, it's very much possible to do this thing for yourself. It's very much possible, and with my strategies, or with this strategy that I'm going to show you, that I always share with you, it is even the easiest that I have ever seen on any YouTube channel. Okay, so let me show you this, and it works, my dear traders. It works. And please, if you are still struggling, I'd like you to take this very, very seriously. It can change your life. It can change your life. I myself, I used to blow a lot of accounts. I used to have a hard time when it comes to trading. I used to be very broke, very poor, but this is the strategy that brings the money. It's the strategy that brings the money. It's just that I don't really like showing off, but I've been able to build houses, to buy cars, buy whatever I want. It is this strategy. It's so simple. You master it, you will not lose on any day. Even if you lose, it's going to be maybe once in a week or twice, but you hardly lose with this strategy. So I'm not going to start afresh because I always talk about this, and I'm happy that some of you are catching this strategy. I did see these screenshots that some of you are sending me, that they are already killing the market. I'm really happy that I'm changing lives. And before I show you the strategy, please remember, if you are new, to open your trading account on FX View. It's a good broker. It's a regulated broker. It's got low spreads. It's got different types of deposit and withdrawal methods. But I would suggest that you use crypto for your deposits and withdrawals. Make it a habit to skip the bank. Banks have a lot of issues, so try to stick to the cryptos. Okay, otherwise it's a good broker. These are the trading platforms you have. I like to use MT5. These are the types of accounts you have. For me, I'm using the raw ECN. You can choose any that suits you. Okay, I'll leave the links in the video description. So let's come back to this strategy, my dear friends. Today you were supposed to sell. Okay, you were supposed to sell there. The entry rule is very simple. Very simple. Okay, what you should have done, remember, you wait for the New York session. Always know that time. Set an alarm if you have to. Know the opening of the New York session, and then you switch to USD CAD. You switch to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and then once you have the first candle on the New York session, what you do is you highlight it. I'm using mobile phone today because I know that some of you don't have computers. This thing can also be best done on the computer. So once you have done that, in fact, let me just zoom in more so that you can be able to see the first candle. I don't want any one of you to say you didn't understand this thing, okay? Because it's not always where I'm going to be able to share with you the setups, okay? But it's still good that you are part of my free Telegram group, this one, because whenever I have time, I share the setup, okay? So what you do, my dear friends, You see this? This is the first candle of the New York session, and it starts here, okay, on that week. Let me say this is the body of the candle, and then it ends here, okay. See that tail? It ends there, okay. So for you is to highlight from there where it starts from, okay, from there down to there, and then you extend the box to your right. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Zoom out so you'll be able to see. I wanted to show you how you are supposed to highlight the candle, okay. So let's do that right now. I'm showing you this freely because I already have the money. So I want all of us to be free, okay. So this is how you highlight, okay. You start from the top of the first candle to the bottom, okay, as I have shown you, and then you extend to your right. And then once you have done that, you wait for price to either close above of this rectangle that you have drawn. Price must close in a full candle, not a wick or a pin, okay. And if price closes above, you buy. If it closes below, you sell. So in this case, on the upper side, you only have wicks. You wait for price to close. Don't place a trade until the candle has closed. You need to be very sure on that one, okay. This is real money, traders. You don't want to do it like you are careless, okay. You have to be very careful. So you wait for the candle to close clearly, and then the first time when a candle closed clearly was there on the lower side, okay. That's why you will see me having an arrow like that. This means you are supposed to place your sell trade there, and then you put your stop loss above, either above the rectangle, okay, somewhere there, or above the wick that is above the rectangle, okay. Right here you have those wicks or those pins. So your stop loss, it would be best to have it somewhere there, okay. So you sell. That's why let me show you the trade of that brother who sent me, brother or sister, I don't know. So this was the setup. This person did it very well. This platform that I'm using is TradingView. You can just download the app on your mobile phone, and then you open it, and then this indicator that I'm using, it's a free indicator. If you go to the plus sign down there, and then you go to indicators, okay, search sessions, it is that indicator. See that one, sessions by Lux Algo. If you click there, it's going to show you the different sessions of the market. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.